How do I block someone on Snapchat?
Hello, Snapchat users. Today we're going to discuss how to block someone on Snapchat. If you're dealing with an unwanted friend or follower, don't worry, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. It's a simple and straightforward method that anyone can follow.
What does blocking do on Snapchat?
Blocking someone on Snapchat will make it so that they can no longer view your stories or send you snaps or chats. It's a feature that gives you control over who can interact with you on Snapchat.
Opening Snapchat and finding the user.
The first step is to open the Snapchat app on your device. From the camera screen, swipe down to go to your profile screen. Now, you need to click on My Friends and find the username of the person you want to block.
Blocking the user.
Now, for the main part. After finding the user, tap on their name to open a chat with them. Then, tap on the user's Bitmoji or avatar icon at the top left of the chat screen. This will open their profile. In their profile, tap on the 3 vertical dots icon in the top right corner. A menu will pop up, where you can select Block. Snapchat will ask for confirmation. Tap on Block again to confirm.
Confirming the block.
To ensure that you've successfully blocked the user, you can go back to your My Friends list and look for the user's name. If it doesn't appear, congratulations, you've successfully blocked them. And there you have it. That's how you can block someone on Snapchat. Remember, your privacy is important, and you have every right to control who can interact with you on your social media platforms. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any other Snapchat questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Happy snapping!